my name is Aman Khan.
My name is Kermali.
Now today we will give presentation on topic feature of monitoring worker in contact with chemicals. So introduction to chemical worker monitoring. Monitoring worker exposed to chemical is essential for ensuring workplace safety. It involves systematic collection and analysis of data. Proper monitoring helps prevent health issue related to chemical exposure. Importance of monitoring chemical exposure. Monitoring helps identify potential health risk early. It ensures compliance with occupational safety regulation. It protects workers from long-term health effects of hazardous chemicals. Types of chemical monitoring. Biological monitoring measures the chemical or the metabolites in biological sample. Environmental monitoring assessment chemical concentration in the workplace environment. Personal monitoring uses device worn by a worker to measure individual exposure level. Biological monitoring method. Blood and urine tests are common biological monitoring technique. They provide direct evidence of the chemical absorption in the body. Timing of sample collection is critical for accurate assessment. Environmental monitoring technique. Air sampling capture airborne chemical concentration during work shift. Surface sampling detect chemical residue on work sample surface. Water and waste sampling monitoring chemical level in the waste stream. Personal monitoring device. Personal air sampling from argon to measure inhalation exposure. Badget or dosimetric device record exposure over time, cumulative exposure over time. Real-time monitor provide immediate feedback or chemical level. Factor influencing monitoring feature. Chemical properties such as volatility and solubility affect sampling method. Duration and intensity of exposure influence monitoring frequency. Worker activity and work environment impact measuring accuracy. Accuracy and sensitivity in monitoring. Monitoring method must detect chemical at the low concentration level. High sensitivity ensure early detection of harmful exposure. Regular calibration of instrumental maintain measure reliability. Now my friend Kev will further explain.
Okay, please.
Regulatory standard and guidelines. Monitoring features are guided by OSHA and NIOSH and ACGIH standards. These organizations set permissible exposure limit and testing protocols. Compliance with regulation ensure legal and safety standards are met. Next, worker safety and precautions. Monitoring program promote transparency and worker trust. They encourage proper use of protective equipment. Education on chemical hazard complement monitoring effort. Next, challenges in monitoring. Variability in exposure level complicate accurate assessment. Cost and resource limitation may restrict extensive monitoring. Worker movement and behavior can affect sampling accuracy. Technological advance in monitoring. Development of portable and real-time monitoring devices enhances responsiveness. Data integration system improve tracking over multiple work sites, and automated alert facilitate immediate action to high exposure levels. Role of training and education. Workers should be trained on the importance of monitoring procedures, and proper use of monitoring equipment is crucial for data accuracy. Ongoing education help maintain compliance and safety awareness. Next, data management and record keeping. Accurate record support regulatory compliance and audits. Digital system enhance data analysis and reporting efficiency. Secure storage of monitoring data protect worker privacy. Future direction in worker monitoring. It is integration of wearable sensor and load technological promises real-time data. Advances in biomarker research improve biological monitoring accuracy, and customized monitoring plans can better address specific workplace hazards. Summary and key takeaways. Monitoring features are vital for safeguarding worker in chemical environment, combining environmental, biological and personal monitoring provides comprehensive assessment, ongoing technological and regulatory improvement, enhance monitoring effectiveness. Pass करते हैं Conclusion. Effective monitoring reduces health risk and promote a safer workplace. Continue improvement and adherence to standards are essential for protecting workers from chemical hazard is a shared responsibility requiring robust monitoring system. Thank you.
Okay, good.